guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm showing you all my pets and kind of like an update. So first, we got my cat, Firma. Oh, come on. You have to go outside. Go. Come on. Oh. This is her. She doesn't want camera, so I'm not gonna like keep it in her face. Then you got all the cats. Say hello to this one. Say hi. There. Second one's over there. I think that's all. Next we'll do these guys and the fish last. So these are the new animals of the group. We got red-eyed tree frogs. There's 3 of them in here, 1 male and 2 females. I do not have the names yet, so I will be needing names. And now I will be showing you the rest. Whoa, in here, I made this thing about a year ago. Not a year ago, like 2 months ago. And I saw something white in it. So I was like, wait, what is that white thing? Well, it turns out it was a lizard egg. And inside this terrarium I made, he has survived this whole time on small little bug. Now I wanna close it back in. I'm probably gonna be releasing him soon though, since it's not cool to like keep him like this. I got 2 more terrariums I want to show you before we get the big surprise. The first one is kind of like a remake of that one, and it looks like this for now, but it's going to be changed up. There is no signs of animals in there at this time, but it's gotten soon. I'm using Pokemon tin lids, and that one that's not even actually ready. And then in here, there is a baby scorpion. Don't ask me what type, because it is a bark scorpion. I do not know where he is right now, and his name is Scorpio. Since when I got him, it's also the month of the Scorpio, and I am also a Scorpio. So I cannot take him out because he is a scorpion, but I'll be able to take out my true frog. I gotta wash my hands, because you want to wash your hands for a tree frog, because they will soak up everything. Just washed my hands. Because I don't want anything. I don't want to hurt this guy. He's okay. Okay. Here. But you do not want to hold them in your hand too long. So in you go. Listen, you can go back to sleep. And his buddy's back there chilling. What was that a tree frog? I didn't. So that's gonna be the video. Yes, bye.